Kolkata's leather industry thought it was finally getting some relief. A proposed India-US trade understanding had promised to cut tariffs on Indian leather goods from 50% to about 18%, potentially reviving orders from the world's biggest market. But that relief didn't last long. The Supreme Court of the United States struck down those tariffs, pushing the trade deal into uncertainty again. And now, the war in West Asia has added another layer of disruption. At the Bantala Leather Complex, factories are running again. At Crescent Export Syndicate, workers are producing handbags for global brand Hugo Boss. Some shipments are already packed, waiting to be sent to the US in the coming months. But exporters say the situation is still fragile because tariff clarity is still missing. The crisis began last year. The Trump administration imposed an additional 25% punitive tariff, taking total duties on Indian goods to 50%. That made exports to the US almost impossible. Many exporters rerouted shipments through European warehouses, while others saw orders vanish overnight. Now, exporters say conversations with American buyers have resumed. Companies like JC International, which earlier sent around 30% of their exports to the US, say the market is slowly reopening. But buyers are still cautious. Most are waiting to see whether tariffs stabilize around 15% before placing big orders. The tariff shock also shook global supply chains. Brands shifted sourcing to countries like Vietnam to avoid high duties. Factories in Kolkata were forced to scale back production. Industry estimates suggest 10 to 15% of contract workers were affected. Just as exporters began recovering, the West Asia conflict disrupted logistics. Many air cargo routes to Europe passed through the region. Now, shipments are being rerouted through Delhi and Mumbai, often at higher freight costs. Some exporters say air shipments to Europe have been severely delayed. Kolkata's leather industry supports about 7 lakh livelihoods. The Calcutta Leather Complex, spread across 1,100 acres, is one of India's largest leather manufacturing clusters. And the stakes are high. India exported $4.58 billion worth of leather goods in 2024-25, with the US accounting for 22% of that market. For now, exporters are producing again, but cautiously. Orders are returning slowly. But with tariffs unresolved and the West Asia war disrupting logistics, the industry knows recovery could still take time. The tariff shock may be fading, but uncertainty is far from over. Follow Business Standard for more stories.